Guys, back again. We got Nick here. He's going to do a second box of 2011 Prime Cuts Baseball. Coming at you live here on Blowout TV. Buddy, good luck. Alright, no base box. That's a good thing. We have a 1 of 1 on the back. We have a 1 of 1 on the back. Here we go. I've got the Mojo horn ready to go. Start things off with a Cliff Lee jersey. That one is 47 of 199. Got a bat piece. Z Gold Parallel. Joey Votto. Number 20 of 25. Robert Stevenson, prospect autograph. That is number 10 of 99. Oh, wow. This is a very cool piece. Anthony Mio, prospect autograph. Number to 299. And Timeline Materials Quad Signatures, 1 of 1. 2-piece bat, 2-piece patch, each 2 color. Pete Rose. Check it out. And on the back, stamped 1 of 1. Awesome hit right there, Nick. Appreciate it, buddy. Congratulations, and I will get this out to you as soon as I can. Later.